What's happening, YouTube? I was gifted early my Christmas present. I was surprised too because I pretty much didn't see this one coming. So yeah, I'm learning how to fly a drone. I've only crashed once, so I think that's pretty good. I probably got a little close on this shot, but it's fine. We're learning how to do the little swirly durly. I probably need to not be in the frame, and next time probably need to get the table and the tripods and stuff out of it. But hey, it's pretty fun. I'm really enjoying playing with this thing, and yeah, I think it makes really cool videos. So here's two way early Christmas presents that are unexpected. And hope you guys enjoy this video, and I look forward to bringing you more content soon, very soon. I need an adventure. Yes, I do. But the big adventure is not coming until next September, so I got some amount of time to learn how to fly a drone. Yeah, I should be pretty competent by next September. Anyways, here we go. Just kind of poking around the neighborhood a little bit. Beautiful. Look at how gorgeous it is up here. Yep, this is my backyard. Can't beat the view. We're in the Bradshaw Mountains there. You can see those. There we go. Kind of flying around the 4Runner once again. Risking life and limb for you guys to bring you a very exciting content and my superior flying skills on demonstration here for sure. Right. See, this is when things get bad. Hey, all right. Quit screwing around. Quit screwing around. Yep. All right, we're done.